Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to learn how to create these nice interactions and animations in Figma. As always, I'm going to share the file link in the description below. So let's get started. As you see, all I have is static elements here. I don't have any components or any other interactive elements, which can also be seen at the assets panel here. So I'm gonna start by dragging this out of the frame to comfortably start building my zoom out a little bit, and let's turn this Nomyn icon group to a component by pressing this button, and let's create a variant. And in this variant, I'm gonna delete the home icon. And since this is going to be our user active variant, as I locked the ratio here, I'm gonna make this full width. I'm gonna enter 393 as width to the very top the very top of my variant, and by command clicking the elements here to grab its style, and alt command C, I just copied its visual properties and I'm gonna paste it to my user icon here. Actually, I should have just moved active link indicator to this position to be center aligned with my active link here. So as I forgot doing that, I'm gonna just copy it from the first state, do some undos, and delete this one, paste here to have my active link indicator in its proper position for this variant. So what I need to have is also a home icon in this variant, right? In my user variant. But first, I'm gonna copy one from this one, change its size, and copy the required properties and paste, and place here to have the proper position. And paste to this variant. Okay, our home and user active variants are completed, right? So let's define the interactions for these two variants. I'm gonna drag an interaction from the user button to user active variant. The trigger is going to be on tap, and the action is going to be changed to, since we're not naming our variants to quickly demonstrate the animation and interaction, it's gonna destination is going to be variant 2, and instead of an instant transition, we're gonna need a smart animate, and the easing is going to be gentle, and 800 milliseconds is an optimal value. So also from this variant to the home active variant, I'm dragging another interaction, and the rest of the settings can remain the same. can just drag an instance of our component to our test frame and position it properly, and with shift space we can preview our prototype, right? So when I click the user button, the animation works. Yeah, the animation works for both of the buttons. Great. So the rest is just adding the other variants and defining the interactions, right? So I'm gonna click my last variant and click also the plus button, and this time without forgetting the placing the active link indicator element, I'm just deleting this user icon. Pasting it to my current variant. But this time I need the document or this icon to be big, right? So I'm changing the size, positioning it, and pasting the appearance from the previous frame. Actually, let's add the last variant and define the interactions altogether. So my last variant is going to be cloud active one, right? So I'm positioning the active link indicator elements, deleting the big icon from the previous variant, and selecting the document from the from one of the previous variants and paste it to this variant, and dragging our cloud icon and changing size, positioning it properly, copying the appearance from a previous variant and pasting it to this one. Let's define the last two variants interactions. So when I click the cloud button, starting from this one, I want to go to the cloud active state, and when I click this one, I want document active variant to be activated, and also from this variant. Actually, as I see it, I haven't defined that one yet. Also this one, right? Actually, we could have defined the interactions as soon as we created the variants. That way, the new variants with the previous icons would have the required interactions. Right now, as I see it, also this icon doesn't have a defined interaction, so let's fix it. So yeah, that one has. Everything seems in order and working right now. So let's preview our prototype once more. And yeah, every variant and every interaction works perfectly. Hope you liked the tutorial. See you in the next one.